Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring you have an admin account and a recent backup. That protects customer records if something goes wrong. Once done, log into WordPress and open Woocommerce customers or use the plugin settings screen. Make sure core plugins and WordPress are updated so export functions correctly. If you prefer REST API, enable application passwords now. If using a plugin, install and activate it, then follow initial connection prompts. This prepares the site and gives you the controls to begin exporting customer data. Now you pick exactly what to export and why. Choose customers or WordPress users, then select fields like name, email, billing, shipping, and order totals. Make sure to apply filters for date range or order status so you only extract relevant records and keep file size manageable. Next, choose the format CSV for spreadsheets, JSON for integrations, and set delimiters and UTF-8 encoding to avoid character issues. Double-check column mappings so custom fields export into clearly labeled columns. Execute the export and download the resulting file to a secure folder with proper access controls. This protects privacy. Once saved, open the file and inspect a sample of records to confirm encoding, column headers, and that all expected fields exported. If you see truncation or timeouts, retry using smaller date ranges or increase server memory and execution time. Finally, import a test subset into your target system to confirm compatibility. If problems persist, review export logs and repeat with adjusted settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.